For us, Onshape just isn't a tool. It's one of the platforms that we're building our business on. Forget how you used to do it. You're going to learn a new way to do it, and it's going to make you better. Hirebotics is a full turnkey integration company with a unique business model. We build industrial robots for manufacturing companies all across the U.S., but we rent our robots out by the hour and charge our customers just like you would hire an employee. Every project that we do is solving some new challenge. In manufacturing, time is money, and the faster we can go, the less it costs us to make a product. So a couple years ago, we stumbled upon Onshape in a blog, and we're very intrigued. We joined the beta program. Where we initially wanted to test the system is when we have these very large, complex assemblies. Models that literally have thousands of parts in them. We're able to load those models, we're able to manipulate them, we're able to have multiple people in the system modeling. We're able to pull those up on our phones even. The very first time we logged in while driving back from a potential customer visit and designed the first part that we ever did on the phone, which is really impressive when you look at the complexity of some of the models that we deal with. Our best work is done when we're working as a team.
With some of the other CAD packages, collaboration is a challenge. With Onshape, it's very straightforward. I can be working on something, a coworker can hop in on the same thing, make comments, make changes. I'm able to see what they did and what they changed.
The fact that we can collaborate inside a single document on multiple facets of the design at once.
When we're at a customer site, we can pull up our phone, we can show them what's going on and what the plan is and what the whole cell is going to look like before we even start installing it.
So being able to use the CAD package in the field the way we do is very unique and very new, and has really helped us to be able to leverage our time and make us faster. We don't have to put big drawing books together and take the drawing books with us. We're able to pull it up right there on the fly and look at stuff without having to go back to a CAD station. So one of the areas that we see a lot of benefit is how assembly mates work. What historically would have taken us 2 or 3 mates to get a feature assembled, we can do in one. We have yet to run into a situation where the real model didn't work the way that we thought it was going to work in the digital world. We actually had a new engineer start this week, and he saw us do some of the version management.
So Onshape has shown itself as very powerful and very convenient. I've done tasks in maybe 20 or 30 minutes that would take me 90 minutes in an NX platform or in a SolidWorks platform.
He was just astounded. His comment was like, man, this is like the wave of the future. This is where everything's headed. Just because Onshape's in the cloud and it's a web-based application, don't think that it's not a fully capable CAD package. Once you've gotten in there and you've really tried building a real-world model, you'll find how much more efficient you can be as an engineer and how it frees up time. What it's really allowing us to do is to build our business and shape the tool to what we need it to be, not shape our business to what the tool is. CAD's moving in a direction that the engineers are. You've got to forget what you know about parametric modeling. You've got to forget what you know about CAD and just jump in and try it. You'll be hooked. And Onshape is really allowing us to get back to being what it is that we're passionate about, being engineers.